Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny be investing in BI, and we've got some news from a Cardano project. AnetaBTC testnet is live. It launched April 21st. It is on the testnet. It's here. Let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and go full screen for you. It looks clean. Again, I think we're starting to see that the link between these new projects that have launched recently that have been kind of running rapidly through their roadmaps faster than I've seen with Cardano. I'm sure, you guys have been paying attention to and seeing how quickly these projects have been running through. There's been a lot of forking of code, existing code. And this is, again, a lot of people see this as a negative. I don't see this as a negative. Your open source code is open for a reason to be used, whether in whole or in part. It doesn't matter to me. Nothing in this world is original. So a lot of, you'll see a lot of people saying, oh, you're just copying someone else's code. These people clearly are not developers. So I don't even register their opinions. Everything is copied. Everything, literally everything you use is a copy of something else. Nothing is original. Very few things will ever be original. Crypto is new. Crypto is a new industry. So this is one of the rare moments in history where you'll actually get to see pioneering. And that era of pioneering in crypto is coming to an end because, again, you don't reinvent the wheel when you're building a car. You use the wheel that was already invented. So let's take a look at Cardano Cube to understand what AnetaBTC is. It's a decentralized on-chain wrapped Bitcoin on the Cardano blockchain. AnetaBTC is a fully on-chain decentralized protocol that allows Bitcoin to be directly wrapped on the Ergo and Cardano blockchain. So this is interoperability built in I guess from day one. And Ergo has been popping up a lot with these projects. They're dual chain. AnetaBTC enables Bitcoin holders to unlock the value of their assets in a secure and efficient environment to provide yield without selling any Bitcoin and without any third-party custodian involved, as in the case with wrapped Bitcoin, which is on Ethereum blockchain and is the largest wrapped Bitcoin protocol today, with over 14 billion of locked Bitcoin value. Wrapped Bitcoin has the potential to provide the Ergo and Cardano platforms essential liquidity required for most all DeFi applications by transferring the full value of Bitcoin on a one-to-one basis. The current market capitalization of Bitcoin exceeds 1.1 trillion, while today's value of wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum blockchain nears about $20 billion. AnetaBTC is critical infrastructure to progress blockchain technology and decentralization. True decentralization without any third-party intermediaries. AnetaBTC will be entirely on-chain using Ergo smart contracts and fully compatible with cross-chain decentralized exchanges on Cardano and Ergo. So this is a big deal here. Trust is one thing. So what is this for and who does this benefit? Honestly, I think it really will benefit big holders of Bitcoin. A lot of whales, they're relying on that to bring liquidity to blockchains that just don't have native Bitcoin or non-solidity based blockchains or EVM blockchains that have wrapped Bitcoin. They're saying that it's one-to-one, but I guess we'll have to continue to dive into this technology to see how that actually works and what the risk factors are. So as far as like me using it, I'm not really a big Bitcoin person. You're really looking for those old school cats that just stacked up a bunch of Bitcoin and are like, million and billionaires right now. This is what this benefits potentially. Bringing their Bitcoin that's just sitting in a wallet to earn yield without necessarily risking their assets and performing a taxable event. So that's what the play is with AnetaBTC. And like I said, trust is another factor. Would I trust this with millions and millions of dollars? Probably not. But there is a lot of opportunity here for those that do. And let's just look at the testnet here. I'm not going to connect the wallet, but I just wanted to look at the interface to see how it looked. As soon as you click the link, you get this message, which is very interesting. KYA. We're typically used to KYC. This is KYA. This website provides the means for users to interact with the AnetaBTC protocol. The AnetaBTC protocol operates as a financial protocol built on top of the Cardano blockchain, operated in large part by smart contracts. By accepting these KYA, you agree that 1. You will use app.AnetaBTC.io at your own risk. 2. All transactions are final and irreversible. This is pretty much true for all blockchain, if it's decentralized. 3. Only you are responsible for your own assets. 4. The website is without a know your customer KYC. The KYC process and can offer no assistance if a user is hacked or cheated out of passwords, currency, or private wallet keys. This is just your standard decentralized blockchain application stuff here. This isn't anything new. This isn't anything really scary. It's up to you. This is open. This is open stuff. This is open platform. No KYC. You make the moves. You make the decisions. You take the wins, and you also take the losses. The AnetaBTC team doesn't guarantee the absence of bugs and errors. That's another common thing in crypto. Just because it's an app and it's from, a project doesn't mean that it can't be hacked. Doesn't mean that there aren't issues. Use it at your own risk. The platform will not be liable for any losses occurred on the user. This includes losses caused by bugs, errors, downtimes, or exploits. So I believe this is a great message to have so that people can really look at this and really decide, do they want to continue? Of course, this is just the testnet. It's not that big of a deal. But when it goes live, it's real money. It can cause a real problem. So you can switch Cardano and Ergo through the network. This is pretty cool. Very clean interface. Like a little bit bigger, personally. Really reminds me of, a lot of the stuff that we've seen on Cardano. MinSwap, SundaeSwap, TeddySwap, Cherry Lin kind of looks similar. It's just a clean line, nice gradient background. I like it. There's nothing for me to complain about. This is basic. This is something that anybody would create. It looks pretty cool. No frills. I'm sure they'll add things to it. They'll add logos and stuff, and it'll change throughout their iterations. But for right now, very basic, very clean line. I like it. AnetaBTC, again, they've been facing a lot of drama on Twitter, but they continue to build regardless, and they're running through their roadmap. It's been a while, I know, but the product looks cool. Hopefully it works without any issues, without any bugs. They go open source and they keep things safe, and they keep moving through and push through the drama. So we'll can probably continue to look at this. If you want me to follow up on AnetaBTC, very interesting protocol. I don't think I'll be really using it. I'm not really a big Bitcoin guy. If that happens, if that changes for me, then I'll let you know and we'll start using it. But if you want me to test it out, I can probably just grab some Bitcoin and just start playing around with it and see what we can do with it. So that's what I have for you for this video. Thank you for checking me out. Hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.